We're talking about the free things to do with your kids this summer in today's video. I'm very excited to share with you a whole list of ideas and inspirations that you can try out with your kids that cost nothing. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet. Who doesn't love free? I love free, and I know a lot of you do too. So I have poured over the internet looking for some really great activities that you can do as a family or with your kids that cost you nothing. I have a whole list here on my phone to go over, and I'm gonna do that in just a second. But I also did a video talking about our summer must-do list. These are things that I know our family wants to do this summer. And in that video, there's a lot of ideas too. They're not always free, but there are some really good ideas in that. So watch that one after you watch this. Let's get on to our free things to do for kids this summer. The first thing on my list is geocaching. Now, I haven't personally tried this. I have a lot of friends who have, and I know it's been around for a really, really long time, so it's probably not a secret, but I wanted to mention it as a reminder that it's a great way to, one, get outdoors, and two, do things as a family, and three, it's free. So, I mean, what more can you want? If you don't know what geocaching is, it's basically a treasure hunt. There are several apps you can go and download onto your phone, and you will find all kinds of different locations all over the world of where little treasures are hidden. Now, these treasures vary in size, and they vary in quantity, and they also vary in difficulty level to find. So you're given some clues, some coordinates, some pictures and things on the app, and then you can go search for it in your neighborhood, or if you go on vacation or somewhere else in the world, wherever you may be, you can try and find one. When you do, you find a treasure. It's never buried, it's kind of hidden somewhere, and you look inside to see if there's something there, and if there is something there, you can take it as your own, and then you can replace it with something else. This is a good way to get rid of some of those extra toys you probably have lying around the house. I know I do. Then you also use the pencil or bring your own pencil, and you sign in the logbook as others have done before you. Super fun thing to do. I'm very excited to get started. In fact, I haven't started yet, but I'm going to. Do you guys want to see a video of our first experience? Let me know and we'll make that happen and give you all of the details. And if you've tried it, I definitely want to hear your experience too. Next up on our free things to do with kids list is Kids Bowl for Free. There is a website that you can go to check out locations near you of bowling alleys that are participating in this program. And in this program, you can get 2 free games of bowling for your kids. Now, the ages of the kids' requirements depends on the bowling alley. So as you click through the website, you'll see all of the different specifications per bowling alley, because it's kind of up to the bowling alley to decide the age group for their free bowling passes. But I actually found quite a variety of age ranges, usually all the way from 2 or 3 on up to 15, 16, 17, and 18. So it would cover a whole family if you wanted some free bowling for your kids. Shoe rental is also another thing I want to mention. Some places do include the shoe rental. Once again, it's up to the individual bowling alley, so you might have to pay for the shoe rental. You might have bowling shoes already. I don't know. Maybe you do, but that might be something to consider as well. One other thing to mention about the Kids Bowl Free is that you also might be limited to the days and times. It's up to the individual bowling alley to decide what they're going to use their program for. So you might have a certain day or a particular time of day that you need to go to use those free bowling passes. But if you like bowling and it's a great way to cool off indoors, the Kids Bowl Free program is actually a really, really good one. Go check it out and see what's available in your area. Now, this one I was really surprised to hear about, and I had no clue that it even existed until I started researching for this video, and that is Apple Camp. In the Apple Store, yes, where you get your phones and your computers and all that, they have a free program that's weekly for ages 8 to 12 with families. Now, not all locations have it, so you do need to go to the website and kind of search. And the thing is, it's kind of getting in the summer here, so a lot of the camps are full. But when I looked at the San Diego locations, I did find a couple that were open, so you might want to just check to see if there is one open in your area. This program takes place in stores and outdoors, and it's a 2-hour program, and like I said, it's for families, so you'll be doing this with your kids, and you'll be guided by one of the Apple Creative Pros. They're going to let you use their iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil to do whatever creative activity they have planned for you. Right now, they are offering a digital comic book about protecting and celebrating the planet. So you're going to be using the tools that they give you to take photos, add drawings, speech bubbles, and stickers to design a story. You'll also be given a camp field guide, but the good news about this is even if you don't attend the Apple Camp, you can actually download this for free and take part at home if you wish. So I'll put the link down below to this one. You can go and check it out and see, and maybe you just want to download the free camp field guide. The camp field guide has 20 creative at-home activities, and I think it's also available internationally. This is an oldie but goodie goodie, but I want to mention it again because they're actually offering it in stores again. They kind of put a hold on it there for a while, but now it's back in stores, and that's the Home Depot workshops. These are amazing, and I was looking at the activities that they have coming up, and they look like they have some really cute ones too. These occur at the first Saturday of the month at Home Depot from 9 to 12, and you can go to the website to find out all the upcoming projects, and they're super, super cute. You get a really cute apron plus the kit and the craft, and you can make something pretty fabulous. If you can't make it into the stores, or if you're not ready to head up the store yet, you can also buy these kits online. They're just under $5, and it's a great way to do the craft. It's definitely worth it. Similar to Home Depot, Lowe's has a similar program, which I was not even aware of. This one is a little bit different in that it requires registration. So you do need to go to the Lowe's website to go ahead and register. The time is the same, 9 to 12, so it's the same thing as Home Depot, but definitely make sure to register before you go. And then while you're on the website, you're definitely going to want to check to make sure the location near you is hosting the event, because that's super important. This program's for ages 4 and up. I know it's only June, but July is right around the corner, and July also means 7-Eleven Day. Oh yes, the home of the Slurpee. This day is very popular in our house. It's where you can go to 7-Eleven, and they're celebrating their unofficial birthday of 7-Eleven by giving everybody a free small Slurpee. They also have on their website have some special opportunities leading up to 7-Eleven Day where they have some discounts on some of the things they sell in the store. So if that's of interest, you might want to check out their website. I think you have to just sign up with your email to get notifications of what those offers are going to be. If you have a 4th grader in your home, I do this year. I had one last year. I have another one again this year. You can participate in Every Kid in a Park. And what this is, it's a free pass to national parks for all 4th graders. To do this, all you need to do is sign up for the pass online, and while you're there, you can check out the list of all the different parks. So if you're going on a road trip, you can look for one nearby. Maybe you have one in your area that you haven't checked out yet. This would be a perfect opportunity to do this. When I was looking up the parks that were nearby my location, I was actually surprised to see some I didn't even know existed. So it's another great opportunity to explore somewhere that you haven't been, plus to get outside too. Maybe you have a crafty one in your house. I got one of those, and they just love the arts and crafts. JCPenney is offering a craft day. This is at select locations, so you'll definitely have to check the website to make sure it's being offered at your store. And it's on the 2nd Saturday of the month from 11 a.m. to noon, so it's a really short window. The next one is on July 11th. And you can have the opportunity to make an ice cream magnet with your kids. It looked super cute. And then after that day, the next one they're holding is to make a pencil pouch. Perfect for back to school time, right? So with this one, you're gonna get free crafts plus a coupon for the parents because they want you to shop while you're there. You don't have to shop, but you do get the coupon if you do want to do that. You also get a collector's pin each time you participate. And once you get 6 collector's pins, which means you completed 6 crafts, you get a master's medallion. They just want you to keep on coming, but why not? It's a free craft. I like this one because it can also incorporate a day out. If you're at the mall, most malls have those playgrounds in the middle of the mall that are 100% absolutely free, so you can do that. Also, window shopping can be a fun activity, especially with the really young ones, to look at all the new things surrounding them and taking note of their surroundings. So I think it's a great activity. Even if you don't want to buy anything, it's a great way to get out and explore. Also on my list, I have bonus items, and that is for reading programs. Now, I've done a whole video about reading programs before. Put it up here on the screen in the corner so you can go and check it out, because that's like a whole thing on its own. A little bit too much to add onto this video, but you can do reading programs at your local library that are 100% free. And not only that, for reading books, they sometimes give you coupons to go do free things in your town. So definitely a win-win on that. You can do the Book It program. There's also a Scholastic program. And then there's also a Barnes & Noble reading program where you can read any books and turn it in and get a free book. You can't beat that. So I'll put that video up there that has all that kinds of information in it. You can go check that out. That's kind of like a bonus tip. And of course, don't forget, get outdoors, get outside, local parks, local playgrounds, even in your backyard. It's the best way to spend those summer days. If you want to hear what I'm doing with our family this summer, I have a video up here on the screen you can go watch next. Highly recommend that to get some more ideas and inspirations. You guys click subscribe to see more videos like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.